Today we'll be testing the iPhone display assembly, battery, and charging port prior to full installation. Not testing the parts prior to full installation can lead to an issue or delay in the repair. Testing the new iPhone display assembly. Ensure the device is powered off prior to testing. If the standard method does not work, hold the home and power buttons until the screen goes dark. Carefully remove the new display assembly from its package. Connect the digitizer and LCD flex cables. Ensure they are properly aligned before gently pressing. Do not use excessive force when completing this process. Lay the screen down onto the device's frame and power on. Ensure that the LCD is free of discoloration and lines. Also, test the touch functionality. Once all functions are verified, power off the device and disconnect the new display assembly. Testing the new iPhone replacement battery. Using the pointed end of the plastic spudger, disconnect the battery flex cable. Carefully remove the new replacement battery from its packaging. Place the new replacement battery on top of the original one. Connect the new replacement battery flex cable. Connect the digitizer and LCD flex cable of the display assembly. Ensure that the flex cables are properly aligned before gently pressing. Lay the screen down onto the device's frame and power on. Connect the charging cable to ensure that the battery charges properly. Testing the new iPhone replacement charge port. Carefully remove the new replacement charge port from its packaging. With the battery already disconnected, use the flat end of the plastic spudger to carefully disconnect the charge port flex. Lay the new replacement charge port on top of the device, carefully connecting the flex cable. Connect the battery flex cable. Connect the digitizer and LCD flex cable of the display assembly. Ensure that the flex cables are properly aligned before gently pressing. Carefully connect the charging cable into the new replacement charge port. Lay the screen down onto the device's frame and power on. Inspect the battery indicator to ensure the device is charging. Once charging has been verified, disconnect the charging cable. If you have questions related to this testing, please contact Werx for further assistance.